cherry. Now, repeat after me. Cherry, cherry. Meaning, a cherry is a small round fruit with smooth red or black skin, juicy flesh, and a single hard pit inside. It is often eaten fresh, used in desserts, or preserved as a topping. In a sentence, she added a cherry on top of the ice cream for decoration. Here, cherry refers to the fruit used to garnish the dessert. Let's try another example. The tree was full of ripe cherries ready to be picked for making jam. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using cherry. Synonyms. Some related terms for cherry are stone fruit, a group of fruits that includes cherries, plums, and peaches. Drupe, the botanical term for fruits like cherries with a central pit. Antonyms. The opposite of cherry would be none, as cherry is a specific fruit, it doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Cherry is a noun referring to a small, sweet or tart fruit with smooth skin and a central pit. Subscribe for more words like this. See you